Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever relieves a Muslim of any hardship of the worldly hardships, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will remove his hardship of the hardships of the resurrection day. Whoever will facilitate anyone who is hard pressed, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will facilitate him in the world as well as hereafter. Whoever conceals the faults of a Muslim, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will draw a veil over the faults of him in the world as well as hereafter. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu helps his bondsman so long as the bondsman continues helping his brother. Whoever trades a path in order to seek knowledge, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will make easy for him the path leading to paradise. Whenever people assemble in one of the houses of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, masjid, so as to recite Allah's book as well as reading and learning it, Sakina descends upon them and mercy envelops them, and angels alayhimus salam mentions them, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu maintains them in the presence of the angels alayhimus salam who are near him, and whoever is left behind because of his deeds, his high lineage will not make him go ahead." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6793.